Hello everyone, this is Megha, co-founder of Truweight, and today I'm talking to Mr. Anbu Arumugam, who's taken a 5 months program with us. He's from Bangalore, and I'll let him tell us a little more about himself and his Truweight journey so far. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Hi everyone. My name is Anbu and I'm a software engineer based out
Mm-hmm.
of Bangalore.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, actually I was having a very lavish party lifestyle for the last few years, and
Uh-huh.
I was initially, 5 years back I was 78 or 79, and gradually it increased, and I reached 95. And one day
Did you get married
saw.
during the duration? Did you get married during the duration?
Yes, I got married
Okay.
in 2017.
Okay.
Yeah, so then I was against my managing in 81, 82 only. Especially
Mm-hmm.
last 1.5 years,
Mm-hmm.
we are having a more stagnant lifestyle, and we
Mm-hmm.
got a baby and all
Mm-hmm.
at home. So I put on
Mm-hmm.
a lot of weight. Then I came across Mega's video in FB
Okay.
with that free consultation for
Mm-hmm.
the weight log and things like that. And I just like, okay, fine, let me. I had enrolled for another app as well, so I
Mm-hmm.
just put a request over here as well, and Truweight was quick enough to respond,
Mm-hmm.
and they came here, and the way he explained things was very nice and clear.
Mm-hmm.
Then my wife pushed me as well. Okay, fine. Why don't you work up and do it?
Uh-huh.
Like, okay, fine. I enrolled.
Uh-huh.
Then initially Jan, it was really wonderful. I started seeing
Mm-hmm.
the outcomes, and now for 95, I am 81. I'm still
Oh,
continuing. I have few
yes,
more days to
that's a
go.
huge drop. Yeah.
Yeah, 15 kgs. 14 kgs. Another
Yeah.
2 or 3 would be great. And of
Yeah,
course,
that.
I feel very healthy. I feel very
Mm-hmm.
healthy, and usually the concept of dieting is you feel like you're going to be strict, not enjoy the food and things. But with
Mm-hmm.
this program, I started exploring more food,
Mm-hmm.
so I started enjoying different kind of food, and it was fun.
So
Yeah,
tell us
I mean,
about
this is
your.
good. My wife is also
Yeah.
enrolled now.
Oh, okay. Nice, nice. Okay. So when did she start?
She started last week.
Last week during the lockdown.
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
So how is it going during the lockdown? Are you facing any challenges, or is it okay now?
Not really. It's a
Mm-hmm.
little easier during a lockdown. You can
Okay.
focus on what you want
Yes.
to have. When you're traveling to office, it's a little more difficult.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Understood. So what about health issues? Did you have any health issues before you started, and how are you now?
My parameters were high. A few of my health
Mm-hmm.
parameters were above normal. So
Mm-hmm.
definitely, these 4 to 5 months, I've stopped falling sick. I feel much healthier. So
Very nice.
something
Very nice. It's especially important during these times when everyone around, it's like
good.
the
Yeah,
biggest health scare that everyone's going through, and fortifying our own immunity is very important as of now.
true, true.
Yeah. So, what made you take this decision to join a weight loss program? What was your trigger?
So I'm feeling I really, put on a lot of weight, and
Okay.
it was not like I was not looking like the normal me. I mean, from the time I remember, I was like, I used to be very thin, and I used to
Mm-hmm.
fit all my clothes. And now it's like I started looking like a ball. So I thought, like, okay, fine.
Okay.
Let
Okay.
me just. I was working out, but
Mhm.
that alone was not helping me. I was working for
Yeah.
really long. It was not helping me lose weight.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
the concept, I didn't know these were the concepts. I just joined. Okay, let me give it a shot for
Mm-hmm.
to try it. But
Mm-hmm.
the
Mm-hmm.
concepts were really nice.
Okay.
To
Very nice. What are the top three changes that you made in your lifestyle since you joined the program? Anything specific you want to talk about?
uh, thing is, a bit of partying is reduced. Not most of the time. So
Okay.
I do go out, indulge in a party, have what I like, but I used to do it once a week in
Mm-hmm.
moderation.
Mm-hmm.
And major lifestyle changes is adding more different kind of foods, like the
Okay.
variety of food we have: millet, superfood, and everything.
Mm-hmm.
So I used to stick with only white rice and chapati. And one more major change is I never used to have breakfast. At
Okay.
least in the last 7 years or 6 years, I've never had breakfast.
Wow.
And
7 years and no
my
breakfast. What time did you used to
yeah,
get up?
I used to get up pretty early, around 8 at least, 8:30
Uh-huh.
at least. I
Uh-huh.
used to push the day with tea, coffee, and then go for brunch, then
Okay.
push for dinner, only 2 meals a day, something like
Okay.
that.
Okay.
So now breakfast has become the main meal of the day, so I don't stick to
Mm-hmm.
eat healthy.
Mm-hmm. Very nice.
And I
A-
eat more mindful, what I should eat, so
Uh-huh.
it's more
Uh-huh.
clear.
Uh-huh. Great. What about exercise? Have you been exercising during the lockdown?
Yeah, on and off, uh, not every day. So
Uh-huh.
again, I started gymming again. Then lockdown started. Then I was a little lazy. And now again,
Mm-hmm.
I started to walk every day,
Mm-hmm.
around
Mm-hmm.
40 minutes to 1 hour a day.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that's going on now.
Okay. Nice. We've launched a new course on immunity on the app. Have you seen that?
Yeah, I saw that. I saw the.
Okay, okay, okay. So please go through it. You learn something new, and it's extremely important as of now to build our immunity. And it's not just for us, for everyone. Spread it around so that more people can focus on their own bodies and stop waiting for a vaccine. So it's
True.
extremely important right now. Okay.
Yeah.
So only the two of you live, your wife and you together, or there's more people in the family?
No, I live with my parents separately.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Any changes that you've seen in them, in their lifestyle or in their food habit, nutrition?
Yeah, they have started eating a bit healthier,
Uh-huh.
and they have started to eat. They have stopped eating brown rice started eating brown rice along with me, and eat more of
Mm-hmm.
salads in whatever we make. So we make it
Mm-hmm.
a little more. So even they have
Mm-hmm.
it. But a few things, they are not accustomed.
No,
So they don't.
yeah, yeah, that that's
Yeah.
okay. What is your take on superfoods? How do you like them? What do you like about them? What you don't like about them?
Uh, as not like I don't like them, because before
Mm-hmm.
joining this program, I had bought a lot of superfood.
Okay.
But the main key to having a superfood is you should know how much to eat.
Yes.
My favorite food is what do you say? I like good South Indian meal.
Uh-huh.
So
Mm-hmm.
so I had to replace with white rice with brown rice. So that's not a
Mm-hmm.
problem. I got
Mm-hmm.
used to it. Then
Mm-hmm.
I like something all spicy foods. I like.
Okay.
Luckily, I
Okay.
don't like any. I'm not a sweet tooth, so I don't eat
Okay.
sweets. So that was very
Okay.
easy
Okay.
for me to handle
Okay.
this program.
Nice. So your wife has already seen what all it is, and I mean, she's more prepared than you now to follow it. How's it going for her? It's been a week
Yeah,
only.
true. She started it. In fact, today was supposed to be her first consultation. She was supposed to start it from tomorrow.
Okay,
But
okay,
she had enrolled. She thought the plan was there in the app, so she had already started a few of
okay,
the detox things. So
okay.
it's going pretty well, and she is completely shifted to almost all the regular food what they have shifted from white rice and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
And she is following that from before she could start this
Mm-hmm.
program.
Mm-hmm. That's great to know. You have anything to say to our viewers? Any message from your experience or anything you would want to tell them?
I mean, you have to enjoy the program, not stress yourself like I'm losing out on something.
Mm-hmm.
And you have to find more ways to make your food interesting, rather than feeling that okay, I have lost all that what I used to
Mm-hmm.
eat. So you tend
Mm-hmm.
to see more yummier food. If you like to cook, then there's a huge. I like to cook, so
Okay.
I had a huge menu created for whatever I used to eat. So even the dosas, I used to make my own millet dosas for
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
3 or 4 days. I used to make the batter, and all of us used to have that. That I started enjoying that. So
Yeah,
that's the
that.
main thing. You have to stick to it and try to.
So,
Uh,
so the last question, Anbu, what is the biggest
yes.
change that you see in yourself, apart from the clothes?
Uh,
What is the biggest change that you see in yourself now that you've dropped 13 kgs,
the
13 plus?
I see I'm pretty. I can see myself much healthier than what. I was earlier, and I feel more energetic. The
Mhm.
main reason being, before I could start this run every day, I used to feel dizzy and sleepy all the time.
Mhm.
So I don't have that at all right now.
Mhm.
And if days are a bit more, fresh, I can extend working or do anything more proactively.
Mhm.
I don't
Mhm.
feel lazy. And
Mhm.
the most visible thing is I've lost a lot of weight, and all my uh, jeans and everything has become loose now. So that's one of the difference. So this is the main thing. The main thing is about the health.
Yeah, yeah.
I can, feel it instead of,
Mhm.
looking more at the lab reports or more than beyond everything. I can feel that
Mhm.
I'm healthy.
Mhm.
So
Yes.
that's more important.
Congratulations on that. This is the biggest,
Thanks.
I think, takeaway from our program. Being healthy is something that you feel. You don't need to see the lab reports to understand whether you're healthy. And once you start eating
Yeah,
healthy, uh, and feeling healthy and being healthy, weight loss will follow. Weight loss is just a
yeah, yeah.
byproduct of being healthy.
True.
So,
The only thing is you have to follow it, after the
mm,
program, or you can't get, it's a
yeah,
lifestyle change. You cannot,
yes, yes,
wind up again and start doing whatever you're doing.
yes, yes, yes. What do you think was the best part about the program for you?
The best part about the program for me was the initial support which
Okay.
my coach Navida and I think
Uh-huh.
Geeta gave,
Uh-huh.
because I really went into a lot of trouble. I was like, okay, the program's money back guarantee, and then like, okay, let me quit.
Uh-huh.
So but they literally, didn't give up on me.
Yeah.
So then as the days went, it really made a lot of difference.
Mhm.
Especially,
Mhm.
after the first 2 months, it was a huge difference that I could feel. Then I didn't have
Mhm.
to, take their support, continuous motivation. I got self
Mhm.
motivated,
Mhm.
so I was sure what I'm doing. So
Mhm. Awesome. So thanks so much, Anbu, for talking to me, and
yeah,
wish you all the best for the remainder of the program. And stay healthy, stay safe, stay positive. All
yeah,
of us
you
need
too.
to be healthy and
Thanks.
positive. All
Yeah,
right. Thank you.
yeah,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you.
Have a good day.
Bye.
Bye.